Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Friday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Last day of the week, and I don't know about you, Winston, but I am weekend ready.
You ready for some Christmas action?
Ready for some Christmas shopping, exactly. A lot going on, big week, and just wrapping up everything for the retail awards, which will be next year, January 27th. It looks like the governments are going to keep all the shopping centers open, so that's good, at least for the holidays. Nice to see a lot of good things going on, a lot of new retailers coming to the market. So let's just we're coming into the weekend, so let's just jump right into the news, and next week we're going to be broadcasting from VDOT Towers, which should be quite interesting. So stay in tune and see how the new broadcast goes. We don't know, but it's going to be VDOT Towers. It's going to be Coffee with Craig, Coffee with a View. So interesting to see. So I want to thank them for letting us use that space. And we'll take a little 20-second break, and we'll be right back with Winston and the news. Ladies and gentlemen, join us for the 14th Annual Europa Property CEE Retail Awards. With over 100 expansion directors attending and the most active owners of shopping centers, retail parks, and big box retail, and they're ready to do deals. This event is not to be missed. During the day, we have our retail marketplace, which focuses on deal-making retailer presentations and the CEE Retail Forum. Then in the evening, our big retail awards gala, which starts at 7 and finishes late into the evening. So, welcome back, Winston. Good to see you.
Yeah, all right, Craig. Nice to see you as well.
Made it to Friday again.
Made it to Friday.
See how it goes, and any interesting bits to me.
Yeah, we'll start with Warimpex, who have recently announced that they've acquired a 10% stake in Airport St. Petersburg, which is they've acquired that from UBM Development. They've now fully withdrawn from the project, and Warimpex now hold 100% of this project of Airport City St. Petersburg. And according to Franz Jurkowitsch, he's the CEO of Warimpex, he says that this particular development is an important development project for the company and has tremendous potential. Right. And the acquisition of UBM's minority stake represents a continuation of their activities in Russia, and it shows the company's clear commitment to the Russian market. Mm-hmm. And I don't know if you know much about Airport City Park, but it's located next to the Pulkovo International Airport in St. Petersburg, and it's a premium class business center, and it's got some key infrastructure around it, and it looks like it's a growing zone around there with lots of new development, so it should be a good one.
Sounds like a place they should invite us to cover it in more detail.
Yeah, it's the one for the future.
Exactly.
Moving to Poland, and the EBRD and PNB Paribas are promoting residential energy efficiency in Poland. Apparently, with rising energy costs across Europe, Poles will have the chance to improve the energy efficiency of their homes and cut their energy bills, thanks to this landmark scheme agreed by the EBRD and PNB Paribas. PNB is extending a loan of 450 million zloty, around 100 million euros, to BNP on lending to private individuals willing to invest in energy-saving solutions and high-performing technologies in residential buildings across the country. And the sort of things that they can borrow on. Private individuals can borrow funds to replace coal-fired boilers with heat pumps, install thermal installation, and implement a wide range of other efficiency improvements. Owners of single-family homes, which represent more than 50% of Poland's residential building stock, are expected to be the main beneficiaries of this scheme.
Well, I guess to replace coal-fired boilers is a good idea.
Yeah, I mean, apparently Poland still relies heavily on coal. Right. It's, I think 95% of their energy comes from coal. So
a bit of technology and change a couple percent of that would hurt the atmosphere.
Yeah, it's a start, isn't it? And it's a good initiative.
Absolutely.
Moving on, and the law firm Gide Warsaw advised Yariel on their recent acquisition of the Wyspolna boutique office building in Warsaw. Yariel acquired this building from CE Imo. This was announced a few weeks ago. It's around 7,600 square meters of commercial space on 6 floors, and it's in a prime location, and again, it's a very interesting addition to the company's portfolio.
Excellent.
And finally, for today, we'll finish in the logistics sector, and warehouse developer L-Cube. They've completed their first project in Poland, which is the logistics park Rzeszów, which is located at Rzeszów Jagiellonka International Airport, and it's fully leased, completed and fully leased. And the Ren Group, one of Poland's major food distributors, has recently joined by Kokolita, an online cosmetics and beauty shop. They're the two tenants to fully lease this project up. And according to, it's got 24,000 square meters of Class A space, and according to, it's a big spot in Rzeszów. There's really good location. And according to Alexander Kolbon, she's the head of leasing at L-Cube. She says, for us, the fast commercialization of the first stage proves that the location we have chosen for our investment was well thought over, and the format of our work has also appealed to our lessees. And alongside this investment in Rzeszów, L-Cube are also working on the implementation of another project in Wrocław, which is Logistics Park Wrocław, and that will have a total area of 11 hectares. And when it's finally built out, the developer is planning to have 60,000 square meters of warehouse space there.
Wow, so great project. Yeah, so another one that the retailers are taking up space.
Yeah, again, online retailers are proving a huge client and a boost for this sector at the moment.
Yeah, great. So is that what we have for the highlights?
That's all the highlights for today, Craig. If any more news items will be on the EuropaProperty.com website throughout the day.
Excellent. So everyone, thank you for viewing our week's worth of news. We've got 8,000 viewers a week and over 13,000 on the interviews. Next week, we're going to be broadcasting same time, but from the fantastic Widok Towers in the center of Warsaw. So it'll be very interesting. Nice views from there. We'll see that on Monday.
Hope they've got some good coffee.
And they probably have some good coffee. I'm sure they do. Actually, they do. I've tried it. Yeah, they gave me one the other day. Okay, so anyway, enjoy the weekend. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you on Monday morning. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.